Hey everybody, it's Robin over here at Russ Darrow Metro Mazda. Hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to discuss how to minimize the stress when it does come to coming to the dealership and potentially getting into your next ride. So with that being said, you are going to come in, you may have an appointment set up, and at that point, you probably have already had contact with your salesperson. So they are going to be aware maybe of what you're looking for, your financial situation, stuff like that. Now, if you do not have an appointment set up, don't worry. Our sales staff is here and ready and available to help you. Now, you can expect that you are going to be sat down at a desk and that we are going to do some fact finding with you. We're going to find out, do you have a vehicle to trade in? Are you looking to finance or lease or pay cash? What other vehicles might you be interested in? Do you have any money down? These are all very common questions that we are going to ask you during that fact-finding time. So after that discovery phase and say that we have found your perfect vehicle, we know it's going to fit into your budget, we know that you would be happy driving off of the lot in that vehicle. Next thing we're going to do is your credit check. Now, what I can tell you is that even if you've been to 10 other dealerships and you've applied for an auto loan at every single one of them, the way that the credit bureaus actually work is once you've applied for your first auto loan, it has now been notified that you are in the market for a vehicle. And a lot of times, people don't buy from the first dealership that they stop to. So definitely also let us know if you have been shopping for that vehicle. If your first auto loan submission has been within the last 30 days, if we do another credit app here, it is actually not going to be another hard pull on your credit. It is going to be what's considered a soft pull. Again, the bureaus have already been notified that you're in the market for a vehicle. So don't worry about that either. And now we've gotten you approved on the auto loan. So we found the car, we've gotten you approved. Next, we're going to start the paperwork process. I'm going to get as much of that together for our finance managers before you go into the finance office and you actually finalize the deal. At this time, we may also collect any down payment that you are putting down. We may also get your trade vehicle ready for us to assume ownership of it. But again, at no point during this time are you unable to ask questions. So again, if this is a new process for you and it's not one you're 100% comfortable with, just say, hey, I have a question, or can we slow this down? And we'll be more than happy to assist you. After you're out of finance, they've given you your folder full of paperwork. Your salesperson will have your vehicle ready to drive off. We'll have gas in the tank, we'll have your license plates on there, and we will be ready to show you any additional features, answer any additional questions you may have at that point. Now, our relationship and our communication doesn't end there. Your sales team, including our sales managers, will follow up with you, see if you have any additional questions. A couple months down the road, we'll probably reach out to you and see if you're ready to schedule your first service appointment. So again, if at any time you have any questions or you're finding that the kind of start to finish process is a little stressful, just let us know. That's what we're here for. Remember, we wouldn't be here without you. So again, I'm looking forward to assisting you on your next stress-free car shopping trip. That's a mouthful. But let me know if you do have any other questions about the process. You can always give me a call directly at the dealership, 414-973-3939. Thanks again, guys.